What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa.
And my name is Layla.
And today is Cooking with Layla. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are not a part of the Teat fam, make sure you hit that red button and give this video a what?
Thumbs up.
A thumbs up. All right, so what are we making today, Layla?
We are making today is watermelon juice.
We're making watermelon juice, okay? So we have a juicer here. We have a juicer. We have some nice, fresh watermelon. Let them see, let them see, let them see. And you want to show them what we have here?
You have unicorns, so you can pick them into the juicers.
On the stove or in the freezer?
In the freezer, because if you put it in the stove, then it thinks like you're not real cooking. It will get hot.
And we don't want popsicles to get hot, right?
Yeah, and it will be melting.
We want them to get cold. So we're gonna put them in the freezer.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. And then we have some, wanna take a bite? Wanna take a bite? We have some fresh watermelon that I just cut up. And I actually got the seeds. I did not get the seedless. Yes. So, is this a healthy meal?
Of course it is, because it has seeds in there.
It has seeds in it, and is this a fruit or a vegetable?
It looks like it's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
Because vegetables are carrots and potatoes.
And also it has seeds in it. So that's another reason why we know that it's a fruit. These containers were only 25 cents. Can you believe that? At Walmart, only 25 cents. So both of these together were 50 cents, under $1. So are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. So we're gonna turn this bad boy on.
That boy.
Woo, that's loud. So Layla, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of these chunks and you're gonna put it in the juicer, and we're gonna see the juice come out. Very good.
A seed came out.
A seed came out. Those seeds are trying to get away. That's what they're doing.
Yeah. They want to get out.
Let's take a thumbnail one.
Okay.
Here we go. Close it, close it, close it. Woo! Look, all this water is juicing. That is some healthy water. Okay, let's get some more.
Another one, a seed. A seed came out.
Let me try some.
A seed came out.
It did. Another one came out. Oh, these
came out.
two seeds came out.
Yeah, one was over there.
Okay, let me try now. Okay, let's see if no seeds come out. Let's see, let's see. Woo! Okay, let's try another one. Good job.
You're almost there.
Look at how much juice we've made so far.
Okay, I hope no seeds.
We're gonna make a watermelon juice. We're gonna make a watermelon juice. We're gonna make a watermelon juice. Okay, I'll lift it up and you put it in this time, okay? Let's see if we can go really, really fast.
Okay.
Here we go. Get ready. Go, go, go. Put another one in. Ready? Set. Go. Oh, there's a big one. Oh! Look, you guys.
Look at it. It's coming out.
It's coming out. Okay, we have to stop it. It's too much. It's too much.
Look at this.
Wow. Hold on. Put that one in here.
Look at this,
And let's put this up to.
Look at this.
So.
He put too much juice, and now it's filling up. It has to go like almost down here. You have 2 more left.
We might can just eat those. What you think?
Yeah.
I think we should.
That.
Yeah. You want to eat it now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Why not?
I like.
Let's see. You don't eat the seeds though.
Mm.
Take the seeds out.
Granny said you can eat the seeds. Granny said you can eat the seeds. Wait. You don't eat the seeds, you can choke?
I think for kids shouldn't eat the seeds. Grown-ups maybe can eat the seeds, but I don't want you to choke. This is some good watermelon.
This is kind of good.
It is. The juice is going to be even better. And the popsicles are going to be even better.
Yeah, the will. But when you're cooking for dinner, what about that could be for our dessert?
That's a good idea. This is a healthy dessert. The watermelon is good for you. It has a lot of nutrients in it. A lot of good nutrients. Okay? You need a napkin? Okay, let's get some napkins. So we're back. We've cleaned up everything so far. And now we're going to put the watermelon juice into these containers. And like I said, they were only 25 cents.
So you better give it a big thumbs up.
So you better give this, he said, so you better give this a big thumbs up. I know that's right, Layla. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pull this off. Look how much juice this made. Wow.
And take off.
There's a little bit of foam on here, but it's not too much. A lot of the foam went into the back of the juicer. So what are you doing? Show them what you're doing.
I'm taking all the tops off so the watermelon can get into these cup holders.
Yes. And what kind of cup holders are these?
Them are unicorns.
Unicorn. Now,
And these are the unicorn tops.
Now they had like regular ones, but she wanted the unicorn ones, which I don't blame her. I would have wanted the unicorn too.
So this is my half full.
Ooh.
And this is your half full.
Oh no. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
That tastes so good.
It tastes so good. It feels like it's chocolate vanilla and with orange juice.
What kind of taste buds do you have, Layla? What kind of taste buds is that? Okay, so I'm gonna start pouring them in. Like that. And this is just like a wonderful, refreshing, healthy snack for
Dessert.
for anyone. Actually, it's not just for kids, it's for anyone.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, doesn't have to be just for kids. Grown-ups could do this too, you know, if you just want something sweet but healthy, nutritious. Oops, I think I put too much in that one. And it looks like we're gonna have a lot more juice left over. Hold on.
Like you can have it for dessert or for breakfast.
Yeah, or you can
Who
just
had breakfast today?
I hope everybody had breakfast today.
Who had lunch? Who had popsicles?
Okay, put the tops on that one.
Okay.
And I'm gonna start filling this one.
And circle it around so I can get some smooth. What? Why did they do it like that?
This is really quick, easy, affordable. The watermelon was
Wait. That's the wrong one.
I don't think it matters which top goes on which one.
This was yours and this was mine. But it's okay.
It's okay. All right, you guys. So we are all done making our watermelon ice pops, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in the freezer probably for
8 minutes?
no, way longer than that, probably overnight, so we'll be able to eat them tomorrow. We'll put these in the freezer and we'll let you guys know how they taste. All right, so thank you guys for watching. What should they do? Give this video a
thumbs up and keep watching Teats with Uncle Chris.
yes. Keep watching our channel and we'll see you guys later. Peace. Layla, they're done.
Already been in the freezer. Now they're all cold and icy. I'm gonna be choosing. Ooh, it's iced.
They are livestock animals. We are truly in Texas, man.
Eat one, TT.
Okay. Let's see.
You need help?
I got it. Wow. They are.
Like this, and it's a unicorn horn.
It is. Let me see your unicorn horn. Put it up to your head.
Eat one. It
Okay.
tastes so good.
It does. Mmm. Wow, those are good.
Yeah, it feels like it's sugar in here.
Wow. Those are delicious, guys. Okay.
Thanks for watching. See you next time, Cooking with Leela.